Hello children, today let's do a very interesting art activity. Let's do paper collage art. For this we need glue, scissors and some colored papers. So let's start. We are going to make a sea drawing along with sunset and a dolphin in it. So let's start doing. First of all, on a white paper, we need to draw one line in the middle using a pencil. As this is sunset or sunrise, so we will draw half sun at the top part. And the dolphin we will stick at last, so we don't need to draw that. Now we will just take papers and we will make small pieces. So for the sea, we need blue paper as we don't need full sheet. So we will just take some part of the paper. We will cut it. And we will just tear and make small pieces of the paper like this. It can be small and big in size, but let's not make it too large. So randomly we need to tear the paper. We can just make small pieces of this big paper and then we can easily tear it in pieces. So this blue is for sea part, which is the bottom part. We will just keep them aside. Now for the sun, we will cut yellow paper. So we just need small part of the paper. So we'll just cut off, take even smaller piece. And again in the similar manner, we will make small pieces with the paper. I think this much will be enough for the sun. Again we will keep this aside. Now for the sky part, we will use orange and pink. So I'll just take half of both the sheets. If you don't have colored papers, you can also color white paper first using a crayon or watercolor or poster, any medium of your choice. And once it dries, you can just make pieces of that paper too. So there is nothing hard and fast that we need colored paper for this art. This kind of activity improves our motor skills and we get used to do hands-on activities very easily. We can make small pieces like this and then we can easily tear it. So let's keep these aside too. Now on a black paper, we will draw a dolphin using a white or any light color pencil color. So I'm using yellow colored pencil color to do this, as this will be still hot. So let's just draw this. If you wish, you can draw a giant fish also there. This is a drawing of dolphin. Now we can just cut it out using a scissor. We need to cut it carefully. So here we have a silhouette dolphin ready. Now this remaining paper, instead of discarding this, we can just keep it so that we can use afterwards in any other art and craft activity. Now let's just keep all these cutouts aside so that we can start sticking. If we wish, we can just make some more colors cutouts for the sky. So I'll just take a small piece of red too, and I'll just make some randomly red not too many, just few. And we will keep this aside too. Now let's start sticking. So first of all, let's stick the sun. So you can use any kind of glue for this purpose. I'm using this Favy stick. So I'm just applying glue everywhere in this area of sun. So I've applied glue. Now I'll just randomly pick up the paper pieces and I'll stick it all over. We don't need to fill it very exactly. We don't need to hide all the white space visible because it's a collage work and we must, it should be visible that this is collage, random collage work. So we will just stick it randomly everywhere. And I'm not pressing it hard everywhere. I'm just trying to stick some portions. I'm just leaving rest portions like that. So this is it. I'll just leave purposely. I'll leave some white spaces in middle. Now let's come to the sky part. So in the bottom, I'll use just few of the yellow is left. So I'll just make 3 parts of the sky. Here I'll use yellow and orange. Here maybe pink. And at the top a little bit red we can use. So again, if you are using liquid glue, don't apply glue everywhere too much. Just apply a very light layer of glue on the paper. Otherwise it will become too wet and it will take lots of time to dry. So I'm just applying glue in this first part everywhere. And now quickly I'll just start sticking. It will go some above the line that we have drawn, so that's okay. There's nothing to worry about. Collage work has to be random. That's the beauty of collage work. Now we have done yellow, orange. Somewhere we will just apply some glue and we'll stick some yellow also at the top of it. Just few dots and we will just keep this like this. Now we'll come to next part where we have to use pink. So again, everywhere I'll apply glue, or maybe we can just do like this one by one. We can also do that's way also we can do, like I've just applied glue here and then I stick again here and then I stick. So this way also we can do if we wish. Purposely I'm leaving some spaces here and there. Some yellow also I'll just add. Now at the top I'll just add some red. If you wish to add more different combinations of color in the sky, you can use maybe sky blue or some different shade of red and orange and pink. So we should always try differently as well. So the top part is kind of ready. Now let's do the bottom C part. So here again, one by one we can do. So at the top I'll make it less dense, means I'll just randomly put few of the cutouts, and as proceeding downwards I'll just increase the number of paper sticking, so it will be more dark at the bottom. So let's start doing. So I'm just leaving more space at the top. If you are using any liquid glue, just put a small dot of glue and don't overuse color glue there. As I already told, it's very important to keep in mind while doing this art. Now the bottom part I'll just stick more pieces of paper together. So you can see I'm just making it so close to each other to look it more dense and more dark. Now the bottommost part we will use very too many pieces very close to each other. We'll just apply glue everywhere here. We just need more paper, so again I'll just tear off some paper and we can quickly make the pieces and stick directly also. So I'm just covering all the spaces which is visible down in the down area. You can see. So it looks more dense and dark at the bottom. This is also because the light enters at the surface of the sea and it looks lighter at the top and it looks dark at the bottom. So this is it. These remaining papers, if we wish, we can just stick at random places in the sky. These papers, if we see, it's just not it's not pasted properly, so that's done purposely. We need to make it look that way. That's why we don't have to stick it entirely on the sheet. Next, let's stick our dolphin like this. So it's like inside the sea and it's just looking outside, just jumping outside a little bit. So I'm just applying glue on back of this. And I'm just sticking it nicely on at the top. So students, you can see this collage art is ready. It's very fun to do and we must do it very randomly and casually because that's the fun of paper collage art. If you use liquid glue, make sure you let it dry for a longer period of time so that you don't mess it up with other sheets of your book. And You just let it dry for some longer period of time, and then you can just keep it. I hope you have enjoyed doing this art with me. We can meet again with more interesting art activities. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.